Inventory withdrawal. What is an inventory withdrawal? This is where you record all the items withdrawn, which were used by the company, as well as items withdrawn for advances to employees. How do you create a withdrawal? To create stock out, from the main menu, go to Inventory, then select Adjustments and click Withdrawals. In the window, click Create. Fill in the necessary information. Please note that all fields with an asterisk are required to create the withdrawal, while those without asterisk are optional information. Choose a reference number. If you have an existing withdrawal form, you can use the reference number. Provide the sub-reference number should you have other related forms. Then the actual date when the item was withdrawn, cost center and requesting department. After providing the header details, you can now provide the details for the items in the table. Then provide the following. Select the withdrawn item in the item column. Type the actual quantity of the item withdrawn in the adjustment column. Select the specific GL account to be charged. You can add a new line for another item. When everything is set, select the names of the people involved in the requested by, approved by, and released by fields. Lastly, input applicable remarks and enter the reason for the adjustment created. Once accomplished, select a saving option. Save and close if you want to simply save the transaction. Save and print if you wish to save the transaction and print it. Save and attach if you wish to save the transaction and attach a supporting document. You have just created your withdrawal transaction.